Imagine cutting a perfect circle into hard porcelain tile without any fancy tools. This expert tile worker did just that. While most would reach for a diamond hole saw drill bit for precision, he took on the challenge by hand. First, he skillfully cut a perfect circle using just a disc grinder. Then, he created intersecting cuts with a circular saw, forming triangular sections snapped off with pliers. Finally, he ground down the edges for a smooth, flawless finish. It's not just about cutting tile. It's about turning a tough job into a work of art with pure skill. Could you pull it off?